I founded out this is like united cooking group. What this means, we all united and we are one. And we are from different backgrounds, and together we are in this group. When people come together and they try different cultures' food and they learn from different backgrounds, and sometimes also we learn a word is different words from different cultures, and we encourage each other, empower each other, and socialize connection also.
I tried eating a new meal first. The first time at United Cooking Group, it is called jeang curry. My favorite menu to cook for other people is fried rice, stick vegetable with healthy bean vegetable soup.
I really love food and anything related to food, really. So I started volunteering here at North Richmond Community Health Center for this, and it wasn't only about food and cooking, but also like to help community members out, which is also something that I really wanted to do.